Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Srishti Agarwal, and here I am the CEO of Fly High Airlines. Let's see case background. Fly High Airline operates in four metropolitan cities connecting Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, and Kolkata. We have been facing heat from our investors, and they think we are not performing up to their expectation. The company makes ticket sales through two means: counter sales at the airport and through its own website. Existing flight operations are tough for the company to handle. Here's an appendix. Here we can observe that our revenue was 100 in 2017, and then it decreased to 92 in 2019, and our ad revenue is also decreasing, and baggage claims is increasing, and hanger fees is also increasing, and the average price is increasing but at a very slow rate. The aim of our Fly High Airlines is to give the best possible and most comfortable traveling experience to our customers. So the main problem statement is our overall revenues are decreasing and our cost is increasing. So questions for the CEO is how to increase overall revenue and how to decrease our cost. Problem one, our cost is increasing. Baggage claims have increased over time, which means we have misplaced more luggages over time. So, how can we tackle this problem? We can use artificial intelligence to track the baggages. We can outsource the activities of baggage handling to those companies which are expert in this area. And we can train our staffs properly and give them incentives on performing their work properly. Second, hangar fees is also increasing. So we can increase the number of flights. By increasing the number of flights, our flight will be there at the airport for a very short period of time. We can reduce time taken to board the flight. We can hire buses so that the customers won't take much time to travel from a terminal to the airport. There is no optimum utilization of resources. In that appendix, we have observed that we have employed a bit more staffs in 2018 and 2019, but then also we are not able to manage our operations properly. It means there's no point of appointing more staff. We can reduce our fuel cost by doing flap 3 landing most of the time, except in few areas like hilly areas and the mountain areas. Problem two is our overall revenue is also decreasing. So these are some of the aspects because of which our overall revenue is decreasing. Our ad revenue is decreasing. Our ad revenue is probably decreasing because our website isn't working properly. We have to ensure a positive user experience on our site. We can integrate our ad account with Google Analytics, which can improve our ad performance and users experience. Our ticket price is increasing at a very slow rate. As the time passes by, an airline must increase its prices by 2% to 4% because of inflation in order to survive. It may increase its prices just because of increase in cost, or due to increase in goodwill, or due to quality of services offered to the customers. Here are some of the other ways through which we can decrease our cost and increase revenue. Standardization of work. Standardization of work means setting standards, like we can set the maximum time and the minimum time for completing a particular task. We can set the quality standards for our products. Second, using motion study. Motion study means eliminating all the unnecessary activities, and therefore we can save our time by eliminating all the unnecessary activities. Third is using differential piece wage system. It means a different rate of wage payment to the employees for those who perform above standards and for those who perform below standards. Fourth, the stability of personnel. Stability of personnel means there should be fixed tenure for the employees. If we will keep on removing our employees, then the training cost will increase, and therefore our overall expenses will also increase and our profits will decrease. We can also reduce flight delays. We can use AI to predict the flight delays, and therefore we can reschedule the customer's flight. We can give aircrafts on lease. Lease is an agreement between a lessor and a lessee. Here, the lessor gives his asset to the lessee on for some time, and in return he takes some rent. Then seventh, by taking proper financing decisions, we should take proper financing decisions. We should raise funds from that like owners and borrowers fund. We should raise funds from debts wherever possible, because debt is cheaper than equity. Then eighth, using gross marketing techniques. We can take example of Android fourth version and KitKat. They have collaborated with each other, and thereby increased each other's sales. So here our airline can collaborate with some hotel, and therefore our target customer area would also increase. Thank you.